Welcome to my channel Fun with Nawab. Now we are going to learn about words that are starting with letter D. D for dog. D for dog. D for duck. D for duck. D for dinosaur. D for dinosaur. D for deer. D for deer. D for dolphin. D for dolphin. D for doll. D for doll. D for drum. D for drum. D for dice. D for dice. D for door. D for diamond. D for diamond. D for dress. D for dress. D for desert. D for desert. D for donkey. D for donkey. D for donut. D for donut. D for dragon. D for dragon. D for dragonfly. D for dragonfly. D for desk. D for desk. D for daffodil. D for daffodil. D for date. D for dragon fruit. D for dragon fruit. D for dove. D for dove. D for dustpan. D for dustpan. D for dustbin. D for dustbin. D for durian. D for dish. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more educational videos.